Good evening, everybody. A Daily Trader. It is December 21st, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so this video is going to be short. Palantir down 48 cents, 2.57%, closed at 18.21. Post-market, we are down a further 2 cents. Let's look at what we have on the chart. So basically, we are stuck between 1782 and 1910. That's the little congestion zone. There is an extended one that extends to 2010. And we are just going sideways, even going on the 1 hour chart, even though the stock yesterday tried to go above 1864 and succeeded. And we had a nice stochastic here, but then things turned around, stochastic dropped below 60, and the stock has been going down ever since. I think the month of December for Palantir has been one of the most boring I have ever seen. This is incredible. On the daily chart, the stochastic at 17 or SI below 50, still MACD believes in miracles, and DMI is still bearish. So we are going to have to wait until next year to see something happen with Palantir. Ha ha ha. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you guys for being there. Thank you for you that are watching my videos. Thank you for my subscribers. Thank you for my members and also people that click on my TradingView affiliate link. I enjoy every interaction that we have together. I'm going to wish you a great new year for 2022. I wish you health, love, and wealth in that specific order. We are going to talk back on Monday, January 3rd. So I'm going to wish you a happy new year and I'm going to tell you bonne année.